In this video, we'll show you how to remove viruses from your Samsung Galaxy phone. So first, open the Settings app on your phone. Now scroll down and then tap on Device Care. Here you will need to tap on this App Protection option. Now here tap on the Scan Phone option. So this will take a minute or so, but after that you will see if there are any viruses on your Samsung phone. If there are, your Samsung phone will also give you the option to remove them. If nothing is detected in this particular scan, what you can do is head to the Play Store. Now tap on your profile icon at the top and then select Play Protect. Now here tap on the scan option. Now this will again scan your phone. If this scan also doesn't detect anything, it's likely that your phone doesn't have any virus. But what you do need to do is open your phone's default web browser. It can be Chrome, Samsung Internet or any other, it doesn't really matter. What you need to do is go to your browser's settings menu and then go to site settings. Now here go to notifications. And here you need to select this don't allow sites to send notifications. So sometimes what happens is that websites misuse this notification permission to send you fake virus alerts. These are basically ads that get you to click on something. So once you select this don't allow sites to send notifications, you won't see any fake virus alerts on your Samsung phone.